Hello everyone, today we will discuss very important topic, okay, active and passive voice. Firstly, I will tell you what is active voice. When the subject of a verb acts, the verb is said to be in the active voice, okay. For example, she will help me, I made a mistake, okay. What is passive voice? When the object of the active voice becomes the subject, the verb is said to be in the passive voice, okay. For example, they will be helped by her, a mistake was made by me, okay. The subject dominates in active voice, but the object dominates in passive voice, okay. You should keep it in your mind. The subject dominates in active voice, but the object dominates in passive voice, okay. Now the structure of active voice: firstly subject, then auxiliary verb, then main verb, then object, then complement, okay. And the structure of passive voice: firstly object, then auxiliary verb, then main verb. After the main verb third form, okay. We always use third form of the verb in passive voice. After that by, then subject, then remaining part of the sentence, okay. Now this is the table, okay. This is the table. You have to change the subject into object, okay. For example, I, we, us. No, I will be changed into me, okay. Here is me, okay. I, me, we, us, you, she, her, he, him, okay, like that. So you have to draw this table in your notebook, okay. This is the tense chart, okay. You have to draw this chart in your notebook, okay. When we change the sentence in active to passive voice, the tense also is changed, okay. For example, present indefinite, okay. In present indefinite, it will be changed into is, rm, okay. Past indefinite change into was, were. Future indefinite, okay. This is the table, okay. So you should keep it in your mind, okay. You should remember this table, okay. Now change of voice. Firstly, I will tell you change of voice according to the tense, okay. So listen carefully. Firstly, present indefinite or simple present tense, okay. Firstly, present indefinite or simple present tense, okay. Affirmative sentences. Formation: object plus is, rm plus v3 plus by plus subject, okay. For example, I read a book, okay. So a book is read by me, okay. A book means object, this is helping verb, this is main verb, then by, okay, then me, okay. Next, negative sentences. Formation: object plus is, rm plus not plus v3 plus by plus subject, okay. For example, I do not read a book, okay. So a book is not read by me, okay. This is object, helping verb, not, main verb, by, okay. Now interrogative sentences. Formation: is, rm plus object plus v3 plus by plus subject, okay, and question mark, okay. For example, do I read a book? So is a book read by me, okay. As you know, two types of interrogative sentences, okay. This is a question word type sentence, okay. So how you will just change these? Firstly question word, then is, rm, then object, then v3, then by plus subject and question mark. Why does he love me? Why am I loved by him, okay. Next is interrogative plus negative sentences. Formation: question word, plus is rm plus object plus not plus v3 plus by plus subject and question mark. Okay. For example, why does he not love me? So how you will change it? Why am I not loved by him? Okay. Now our next tense, present continuous tense. Okay. Affirmative sentences. Object is rm plus being plus v3 plus by plus subject. Okay. I am reading a book. A book is being read by me. Okay. Negative sentences. Formation object plus is rm plus not plus being plus v3 plus by plus subject. Okay. For example, I am not reading a book. A book is not being read by me. Okay. In interrogative sentence, firstly is rm plus object plus being plus v3 plus by plus subject. Okay. And question mark. For example, am I reading a book? Is a book being read by me? Okay. And another type of interrogative sentence is question word plus is rm plus object plus being plus v3 plus by plus subject and then question mark. For example, why am I reading a book? So why is a book being read by me? Okay. Now interrogative plus negative sentences. Formation question word plus is rm plus object plus not plus being plus v3 plus by plus subject. Okay. Then question mark. For example, why am I not reading a book? Why is a book not being read by? Okay. Now next is present perfect tense. Okay. Affirmative sentences. Formation object plus has have been plus v3 plus by plus subject. Okay. For example, I have read a book. Okay. A book has been read by me. Okay. In negative sentences. Formation object plus has have plus not plus been plus v3 plus by plus subject. For example, I have not read a book. A book has not been written. Not written. Here will be read. Okay. R-E-A-D. A book has not been read by me. Okay. Next is interrogative sentences. Has have plus object plus been plus v3 plus by plus subject and question mark. Okay. Have I read a book? Has a book been read by me? Okay. Now interrogative plus negative. Question word plus has have plus object plus not plus been plus v3 plus by plus subject then question mark. Okay. For example, why have I not read a book? So why has a book not been read by me? Okay. I want to tell you that present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous tense will not be changed into passive voice. Okay. So next tense is past indefinite or simple past tense. Okay. So affirmative sentences. Formation object plus was verb plus v3 plus by plus subject. Okay. For example, he loved me. Okay. So I was loved by him. Okay. Negative sentences. Object plus was verb plus not plus v3 plus by plus subject. We did not teach you. You were not taught by us. Interrogative sentences. Formation was verb plus object plus v3 plus by plus subject. Okay. For example, did we teach you? Were you taught by us? Okay. Interrogative plus negative. Firstly, question word, then was were, then object, then not, then V3, then by, then subject, and at last question mark. Okay. Why did we not teach you? So, why were you not taught by us? Okay. Next is past continuous tense. Affirmative sentences. Formation: object plus was were plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay. For example, you were eating bread. So bread was being eaten by you. Okay. In negative sentences, object plus was were plus not plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. You were not eating bread. Bread was not being eaten by you. Okay. Interrogative sentences. Firstly, was were, then object, then being, then V3, then by, then subject and question mark. Were you eating bread? Was bread being eaten by you? Okay. Interrogative plus negative. Question word, was were, object, not, being, V3, by, subject and question mark. Why were you not eating bread? Why was bread not being eaten by? Okay. Now next is past perfect tense. Affirmative sentences. Formation: object, had been plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay. For example, you had finished your work. Your work had been finished by you. Negative sentences. Formation: object, had not been, V3, then by, then subject. Okay. You had not finished your work. Your work had not been finished by you. Okay. Now interrogative sentences. Had plus object plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject and question mark. Had you finished your work? Had your work been finished by you? Okay. Now interrogative plus negative. Formation: question word, had plus object plus not plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject and question mark. Okay. Why had you not finished your work? Why had your work not been finished by you? Okay. Now next tense is future indefinite tense. Okay. With all the models we use be. Okay. Affirmative sentences. Formation: object, will, shall plus be plus V3 plus by plus subject. She will love me. So I shall be loved by her. Okay. Negative sentences. Object, will, shall plus not plus be plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay. We shall not teach you. You will not be taught by us. Okay. Interrogative sentences. Formation: will, shall plus object plus be plus V3 plus by plus subject. Shall we teach you? Will you be taught by us? Okay. Who type sentences. Okay. If there will be given who, then how you will change it. Okay. Who will teach you? So firstly we will use by. By whom? Okay. By whom will you be taught? Okay. Now interrogative plus negative. Question word plus will, shall plus object plus not plus be plus V3 plus by plus subject and question mark. Why will you not teach me? Why shall I not be taught by you? Okay. Future continuous tense will not be changed into passive voice. Okay. You should keep it in your mind. Okay. So next is future perfect tense. Affirmative sentences. Formation: object plus will, shall plus have been plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay. For example, I shall have read a book. A book will have read by me. Negative sentences. Object, then will, shall, then have not been, then V3, then by, then subject. Okay. I shall not have read a book. A book will not have been read by me. Interrogative sentences. Will, shall plus object plus have been plus V3 plus by plus subject and question mark. Shall I have read a book? will a book have been read by me? Okay. Now interrogative plus negative sentence, question word, then will, shall, then object, then not, have been, then V3, then by, then subject. Okay. For example, when shall I not have read a book? So when will a book have not been read by me? Okay. Now I will tell you about two objects of the verb. Okay. For example, if there will be two objects, okay, in your sentence, then how you will change it. For example, he has given you a message. So a message has been given to you by him. Okay. And you can also change like this: you have been given a message by him. Okay. Another example also, he gave me 5 rupees. So how you will change it? 5 rupees were given to me by him. Okay. Have you got it? Now next is modal auxiliaries. Okay. I told you that in all the modal auxiliaries we use be, okay, into passive voice. For example, can be, may be, could be, would be, might be, must be, will be, shall be, etc. Okay. For example, she can help you. So you can be helped by her. You must obey me. I must be obeyed by you. Okay. Now next is imperative sentences. Okay. In imperative sentences there will be given command, order, advice, request, etc. Okay. So how you will change those type of sentences? Formation: let plus subject plus be plus V3. Okay. For example, post this letter. Okay. So how you will change it? Let this letter be posted. Next, open the door. Let the door be opened. Okay. We can also write you are requested, you are ordered, you are advised to. Okay. Then we will use V1. Okay, not V3. For example, do not tell a lie. So you are ordered not to tell a lie. Okay. We are using here V1, not V3. Okay. Please open the door. You are requested to open the door. Okay. Do not abuse Ram. So how you will change it? You are advised not to abuse Ram. Okay. And we can also change it like this: let Ram not be abused. Okay. So now your active passive, okay, have finished, and I think you will have understood active passive. Okay. So like the video and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.